Hello children, good morning. Take out your general science reader and we started with lesson number 6, food we get from plants. Now come to page number 63 and we start up with this. Yesterday I explained to you about the stems. We eat stems. All this I explained you. Now I'll explain you about the flowers. Cauliflower, clove, broccoli, and banana flowers are some of the flowers that we eat. Now, what is cauliflower? This is cauliflower. Band gobi. Broccoli, yeah, this is broccoli. Yes. And banana flower. This is a banana flower. Yes. Clove, broccoli, and banana flower are some of the flowers that we eat. Yes. Now, here I will explain you that we get cereals, that is food grains, pulses and oil from seeds of plant. Now what are cereals? Cereals are food grains. Now what are those cereals? Food grains. In that rice, wheat, jowar, bajra and corn. These are all cereals. So we get cereals, that is food grain like pulses and oil from the seeds of the plant. Some of the cereals are rice, wheat, jowar, bajra and corn. Now you know what is rice, wheat, jowar and bajra. This is the poor man's food. Jowar and bajra, they make chapati out of it and eat. And corn is what? Maize, makka. Some examples of pulses are kidney beans, rajma. Kidney beans what? Rajma. And Bengal gram, that is chane ka dal, and green gram, that is moong dal. This is all the dal which your mother makes. That is Bengal gram is chane ka dal, and green gram means moong ka dal. Here see in the bowl you can see this is green gram, and this is kidney beans. Kidney beans are in the shape of this, yes, and urad ka dal is here. Wheat, rice, all. These are all the daily cereals and pulses which we have in our lunch time, in our food. This is our food, what we eat mainly. These are some fruits that we eat. Now there are some fruits also. Guava, mango, orange, strawberry and apple. All these fruits you have seen. You eat them and you have seen them also. Yes, so now we get oil by crushing seeds of plants like mustard, sesame, corn, groundnut, etc. Now we get oil by crushing the seeds. Now what is mustard? Mustard is what? Rye. It's a small, fine grind, small pebbles like or grains like that is known as mustard. Mustard means rye. Sesame means tel. Corn means maize. Groundnut means mumphali. So some of the commonly used oil are sunflower oil, olive oil, mustard oil and coconut oil, etc. Now you know what is sunflower. You know, no, sunflower oil. We use sunflower oil also. We use olive oil also. Olive is a kind of a small green color fruit. We get oil from it. It is very good oil. Mustard means rai ka tel, sarson ka tel we call it, and coconut oil, etc. Now you see groundnut oil, sunflower oil and mustard oil. Mustard oil is what? Sarson ka oil, which everyone uses to make food. Now turn to page number 64. Now other food items, spices. What are spices? Spices are all the masalas which we use in a food and it gives taste to our food. Yes, without the spices the food will not be tasty. We also get spices from plant. We add spices to our food to make the food tasty. Now we have to add spice to our food so that it is tasty. Cardamom. Yes, cardamom is what? Green elaichi. Cardamom is this here, green color elaichi which we use when we make fruit, when we make any halwa or any sweet dish, then we use the green elaichi. Cinnamon. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon is it's a kind of a stick, sweet stick. Pepper, cumin, clove. Now what is pepper is black kali miri, round pebbles, pepper, see. Kali miri we call it. Cumin is jeera. Clove is what? Long. It's a black kind of, this is known as long, which at times in winter we make tea, we keep in our mouth so that we remain warm, we don't cough. And chilies are some of the spices used commonly by us. So all these are spices. These are spices. So we have to add these, give flavor in our food. Yes, this is for the sweet purpose. This is the cardamom. This is a green color one, and you get a black color one also. That is also cardamom. That is black one. So these are all the spices which adds flavor to our food. We have to use them. Then only the food will be tasty. Now we come to nuts. We get nuts like almonds, cashews, walnut, hazelnut, and pistachios nuts from the plant. These are all the names of the dry fruit. These are names of the dry fruit. Walnut means akhroot, cashew nut means kaju, and almonds means badam. Now all these are name of the dry fruit. Hazelnut, it's small, round in color, like how we have big coconut brown color. This is like small. This is small hazelnut. We get nuts like almonds, cashews, walnuts, and hazelnut. Hazelnut is round in shape. What is this? Round in shape. How coconut is big, brown in color. This is small, round in shape, and it is used in chocolates. And pistachios means pistas, nuts from the plant. So these are all the names of the dry fruit which we eat and which we use in any form of the dry fruits, or in chocolates, in halwa, in mithai. These are what it is. Now see, medicines from plant. Many medicines are made from plants like tulsi, neem, mint, clove, and aloe vera. Now see, medicine. Which plant gives us medicine? Like tulsi, you have seen. Tulsi is grown in all the houses. Neem also we have seen. Neem also is a very medical medicine. It gives us medicine. Yes, mint, clove is here. Clove, we have seen it. This is clove. Yes, aloe vera you have seen. Everywhere it grows. This is aloe vera plant. This is mint means pudina, clove long, and this is aloe vera, which goes commonly everywhere in all the garden. These are all important plants which give us medicine. So these are the plants which give us medicine. Now, tea, coffee, and cocoa from plant. You know what is tea, you know what is coffee, and cocoa from the plant. Now we learn about the cocoa. We get tea from the tea leaves and coffee from the coffee beans. Now coffee beans are also it is in the shape of a bean only. The cocoa that is used to make your favorite chocolates comes from the fruit of a cocoa tree. Now what is cocoa? It comes from the fruit of a cocoa tree. Now this is the tea leaf. This is the coffee. Here you can know it is in a bean. So this is coffee bean, brown color. Now this is the cocoa plant. This is the cocoa plant. Then it bears the coconut beans are inside this. Yes, and then they take from it and powder it, and then it is chocolates are made. So how are chocolates made? From the fruit of a cocoa tree. The cocoa that is used to make your favorite chocolate comes from the fruit of the cocoa tree. Next page, come to page number 65. Sugar and jaggery from plant. Now we get, this is sugar cane, and we get jaggery, and we get sugar cane from the sugar cane plant. From where we get jaggery? From sugar cane plant. Where we get sugar? We get from the sugar cane plant. Sugar and jaggery are made from sugar cane or sugar beet. This is the way from where we get sugar. These are these things. So enough for now, children. So you learn this, all the spices name, nuts name, medicine from the plants, tea, coffee, and cocoa plants, sugar and jaggery from the plant. Yes, you have to learn all this. Learn all these keywords. This is your homework. You have to learn. What you have to do? You have to learn all this. This is your homework. You learn all the keywords. Trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, cereal, pulses, spices. You will learn all this. Okay, children? So enough for now, and read your lesson twice. Okay. Okay, children, take care and have a good day.